Ever pondered how your walking speed might be an indication of your success? Picture this, a bustling street in the heart of London, a stark contrast to the leisurely pace of my native southern Europe. Here, the swift strides of the city dwellers caught my attention. It was as if the speed of their steps was a testament to their drive, a declaration of their ambitions. Stroll through any city and you'll notice two types of walkers. The slow walkers who saunter, taking in the sights, pausing for a latte, unhindered by the shackles of time. Then there are the fast walkers, those who stride with purpose and determination, their gaze fixed ahead, their every move echoing their intent. In my quest to understand the unspoken language of the body, I began observing these two breeds of walkers. The slow walkers often seem to be running late, their pace casual, their attire a blend of bright, mismatched hues, their shoes betraying the traces of their unhurried wanderings. They moved as if they had all the time in the world, their heads bowed, their strides lacking the urgency of their faster counterparts. On the other hand, the fast walkers exuded an air of success. Their attire, smart and sophisticated, their shoes polished to perfection. They moved with an air of importance, their pace brisk, their stride confident. They didn't have a moment to spare, their every step radiating a sense of purpose. One particular observation stands out. In the heart of the city, where a bustling flea market and a towering corporate bank stand divided by a fork, the difference was more pronounced. The bankers, regardless of their direction, moved with a sense of urgency, while the casual shoppers meandered at a leisurely pace, as if apprehensive of the unknown that lay ahead. In professional settings too, a similar pattern emerges. The higher-ups tend to move faster, their steps brisk, their energy palpable, even within the confined spaces of an office corridor. These observations, though personal, offer a fascinating insight into the correlation between walking speed and success. The fast walkers, the go-getters, the ones with a sense of purpose, they seem to be the ones who've made it. So here's the takeaway. The speed at which you walk, the urgency in your stride, the purpose in your step, they all tell a story. A story of ambition, of drive, of determination. And perhaps, just perhaps, they might be an indication of your success.